Welcome back everyone. In this video we are going to be checking out the best tubes for boats you can buy right now. We made this list based on our personal opinion and hours of research, and we have listed them based on type of features and price. We have included options for every type of user, so whether you are looking for a best budget, if you want more information and update pricing on the product mentioned, be sure to check the link in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Number 1. Sports Stuff Big Mabel Towable. The Sports Stuff 53 is an inflatable that has been redesigned with several new great features, such as a backrest and padded sidewalls offering you support and protection as you ride on the water. This towable can hold comfortably 2 people, it's roomy and has handholds on the sides, which allows you to grip well and ride in different positions. You are not restrained just sitting, you can ride backward, kneeling, or prone. Its handles feature knuckle guards and double webbing foam, making this towable extremely comfortable to ride on. Additionally, the seats have EVA foam pads, which enhance comfort. The entire tube is made of heavy-duty PVC material with welded seams, promising years of outdoor use. Since this tube has dual tow points, you can pull it backward or forward. The valve is designed to make it easy to inflate and deflate it, which will save you time looking at Sports Stuff Super Mabel's design features and performance. It's apparent that the towable can offer a super fun riding experience without causing one to spend more, and the fact that people of all ages can use it makes it even more convenient. Pros: durable, comfortable, spacious, easy to inflate and deflate, very stable. Cons: a bit heavy, cumbersome. Number 2. Airhead Mock. This Airhead tube is the best towable tube in today's market. Its cockpit design avoids the rider from slipping off the tube while on the move. Safe for kids as it fits them perfectly inside the Mach 3. This product is the best-selling product among all Airhead tubes. Guarantees no air leaks, for it is equipped with a patented safety valve. Also, the tube is installed with 6 neoprene handles for a secure ride, so you can enjoy a good ride without slipping or hurting your hand. There are no questions on the Mach 3 when it comes to durability. Its PVC bladder and double-stitched nylon cover ensure the long life of this water tube definitely will last for years. The Mach 3 is a 3-person towable tube. A single passenger can occupy the middle seat. It can also be occupied by 2 riders on both left and right with its balanced seating. It is a cockpit-designed water tube, which is safe even for kids. The tow point can be connected to a boat with ease. This 3-person towable tube is worth every penny you pay. It is attached with the speed safety valve, which is simple to inflate and deflate. It ensures the safety of the users, so you don't have to worry about safety while you're riding. Tag your friends along and share your summer adventures with the Mach 3. The water tube is so well balanced, it doesn't throw passengers off it during the ride. This best-selling Airhead product that is sure to bring your vacation experience to the next level. Pros: offers perfect grip, stable and secure ride, simple to inflating and deflating. Cons: sharp linings. Number 3. Sports Stuff Super Mabel. Looking for a towable water inflatable tube with multiple wild riding options? Super Mabel is the product for you. Tow Tube Number 2 is a water tube product that's been designed and manufactured by Sports Stuff. Enjoy your summer escapade with this next-generation towable tube. You can hook the front tow point for a more relaxed ride as it has an installed backrest, or hook it on the rear tow point for a wilder chariot-style pull. The air cushion sidewalls prevent you from getting thrown off the tube while going for a speedy bouncy ride. This towable tube is so wide it could fit 5 children ages 5-10. It can also fit 4 medium-built teenage girls. According to a customer, the Super Mabel has been with them for 4 years and is still working fine. A proof that this product is of good materials, making it last for a long time. It is a very strong tow tube that could handle 600 pounds of weight or more, easily inflatable and ready to use in just 10 minutes. The only drawback of this product is the falling off handles after a couple of uses. Other than that, this towable tube will add joy to your summer water adventure. Pros: ideal for adults and kids. Double-stitched nylon cover. Comfortable padding seats. Cons. Foam handles are a bit cheap. Number 4. Airhead G-Force Rider Towable Tube. One of the favorites of water-loving thrill seekers is the G-Force 3 by Airhead. The second product Airhead Sports Group made its way to the top 10. The GF3 is one of the best towable tubes for adults. Challenge yourself against the centrifugal force with its top side fins. The open top side design of this towable raft is best to get air and good splash. Airhead is one of the major brands owned by QuickTech. QuickTech has been manufacturing water sports equipment for over 20 years, a proof of their expertise in producing the safest, the best, and the most popular aquatic sports equipment in the world. One of the favorites of water-loving thrill seekers is the G-Force 3 by Airhead, the second product of Airhead Sports Group that made its way to the top 10. The GF3 is one of the best towable tubes for adults. Challenge yourself against the centrifugal force with its top side fins. The open top side design of this tube is best to get air and good splash. Airhead is one of the major brands owned by QuickTech. QuickTech has been manufacturing water sports equipment for over 20 years, a proof of their expertise in producing the safest, the best, and the most popular aquatic sports equipment in the world. This water towable tube could last at least 2 years before it develops holes, a problem that most customers have. The kids love the design and its beautiful colors as they prefer it over other brands. Though this towable tube is made for 3 persons, drawbacks could be seen on some customer reviews. They find it hard to fit three adults on the tube comfortably. The fins are so hard to reach, and especially for shorter kids. The tube also sinks on the front part, so riders must move a little on the back end of the tow tube before being pulled. Pros: 6 durable handles, easy access Boston valves, supreme quality nylon cover. Cons: didn't hold the air for a long time. Number 5. Hot Dog 3-person towable tube. Summer beach parties will never be complete without the Hot Dog. Nobody wants to settle for a boring tow tube. Luckily, Airhead has innovated the Hot Dog design towable tube for safer and more fun to ride. Durability is out of the question, as Airhead guarantees customers that the Hot Dog 3 is made of top-tier materials like all their other products. Installed with the Quick Connect system for easier connecting and tethering process. A patented tethering designed by QuickTech, the mother company of Airhead. The absolute definition of happiness in the form of a towable tube. If you want to smile or laugh while enjoying your summer escapade, put Hot Dog 3 on your bucket list. Its creative design will definitely make toddlers and adults smile as well. The Hot Dog 3 is perfect for jet skis and boats. Its slim design assures less drag. Drawbacks can be seen though, as some customers experienced having a leak from one of its air compartments after only a single use. Not a typical problem for Airhead products, but it is something that they have to look into. Pros: knuckle pads for comfortable grip, fully covered in rugged nylon. 3 neoprene seat pads. Cons: doesn't hold air. Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a comment and make sure to hit that subscribe button and enable your notification bell icon to get the latest videos of our channel. Be sure to check out the description for the link to find the most updated pricing on all the products mentioned in this video.